Good morning. Are you waiting for the bus?
Good morning. Yes, I am waiting for the city bus. It goes to the main market. What about you?
I am also waiting for the same bus. I am going to my office. I work in a small software company. The bus is a little late today.
Yes, I noticed that too. Usually it comes on time, but today there is a lot of traffic on the road. Sometimes traffic makes everything slow.
That is true. Traffic is a big problem in this city. Many people are going to work at the same time, so the roads become very crowded.
Yes, especially in the morning. People are going to offices, schools, and colleges. Everyone is in a hurry. That is why buses and cars move slowly.
Are you going to college?
Yes, I am a college student. I have an important exam today, so I am feeling a little nervous.
I understand. Exams can make anyone feel nervous. But do not worry. If you studied well, you will do well.
Thank you for saying that. Your words make me feel better. Sometimes a few kind words help a lot.
That is true. We should always try to encourage others. It gives them confidence.
Do you travel by bus every day?
Yes, I do. I take the bus to my office and back home. It is cheaper than using a taxi and it helps me save money.
That is a good habit. I also use the bus because it is affordable and it is better for the environment too.
Yes, public transport is good for the environment. It reduces pollution. When many people travel in one bus, there are fewer cars on the road.
That makes sense. I never thought about it like that. By the way, how long does it take you to reach your college?
It takes about 30 minutes by bus. If there is no traffic, it is faster. But on busy days, it can take almost 1 hour.
That is quite a long time. I also travel for about 40 minutes. Sometimes I listen to music or podcasts on the bus.
That is nice. I usually read my notes on the bus, especially when I have exams.
That is a smart way to use your time. You are making good use of the journey.
Yes, every minute is important today.
Oh, look, I think the bus is coming now.
Yes, I can see it. Finally, it is here.
Let us get ready to board the bus.
It was nice talking to you. Thank you for the friendly conversation.
You're welcome. I enjoyed talking to you too. Good luck for your exam.
Thank you so much. Have a great day at work.